and welcome back to my channel, everyone. So this is not gonna be any kind of read for any sign. This is just to inform you all about the Mercury retrograde, which is coming on October the 13th, and this is the last and final Mercury retrograde for this year, and thank God for that, because water signs definitely have to deal with a lot of stuff. But this Mercury retrograde is very powerful for our Scorpions and for our Pisceans. This other signs will also get affected by this Mercury retrograde for sure, because as we all know, usually it is a sign of new beginnings. It is a sign where you just sit and you have to think about all other aspects of what is going on in your life. All other aspects could be related to your career, could be related to your love life, or whatever you are dealing. This is basically a time of deep thinking, and people, I have seen that they communicate less, but this is since the last and the final Mercury retrograde for the year 2020. This is a very powerful Mercury retrograde for all of our twin flames. As I was taking out the twin flame reads also, this is a very powerful Mercury retrograde, a very powerful time to communicate with your divine feminines or divine masculines, because we have seen people struggling, at least during Mercury retrograde. They are not able to communicate, they are not able to speak their words clearly, they are not able to express their emotions. Okay, if you heard someone barking, that was just my puppy here, because she's just playing around. So yeah, so we're going to talk about some of the crystals that will really help you this Mercury retrograde. We will have readings also for all the signs related to this Mercury retrograde coming up, and what is the guidance from the universe for sure, and they will be up on my channel soon. But in this video, all I'm going to talk about are the healing crystals that you require during this Mercury retrograde times. So the very first crystal that works with me, or that works for me, and also I tell each and every person to at least have it with them all the time, because this is the amethyst crystal, and I'm not sure if you can see that very clearly, but it's a violet color. This is the crystal here. So this violet crystal is so helpful, because amethyst always opens up your third eye, lets you know everything, whatever is going around. Even though people are trying to manipulate things sometimes, this is the crystal that's gonna help you out to see those things clearly, as Mercury retrograde is a time for deep thinking processes. Always have this with you, so you don't go into unnecessary thinking. Don't think about those people in a way that they want you to think. Don't let them manipulate you. This is gonna open up your third eye chakra. This is definitely gonna help you all. This will help you to keep you calm and peaceful all the time, and this is just the go-to tool. You will also see that in all of my reads I always have amethyst with me. Amethyst is just a go-to tool, especially if you're a water sign. Never forget also, this is the stone for Pisces. So yeah, most of the Pisces should be wearing it, keeping them with keeping these small crystals with you. This really helps all the Pisceans to stay calm and peaceful even during these times. The second crystal that helps all of us, not just during Mercury retrograde but all other times as well, this is lapis lazuli, and this is the crystal that's gonna help you to express, because we sometimes have problems expressing our emotions, expressing ourselves in a very proper manner, basically. So this is the crystal that's gonna help your throat chakra heal, especially during the Mercury retrograde times, because people struggle with communications. And this is a very powerful one. This is a very powerful Mercury retrograde for our twin flames. So definitely, divine feminines and divine masculines, please carry this around with you, because this is the time communication is gonna come for you guys. It is a very powerful Mercury retrograde for all of our twin flames. Communication, those who are struggling for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, communication is coming around. Always have this crystal with you. This is gonna help you to say what you want to say to the other person clearly, and also the other person will understand your words properly, because sometimes we say something else and the other person interprets in a different way, and this is the crystal that's going to help you out. The third most important crystal that you should be having with you, at least during Mercury retrograde, is red jasper. This will keep you grounded all the time, because in Mercury retrograde what happens is our emotions are overflowing, we are feeling very sensitive all the time. So this is the crystal which is going to help you out to keep yourself grounded. Also, if you want to know about the techniques of grounding, you can look at the other videos on my channel. There is one video on how to stay grounded. So this is the crystal that helps you to stay grounded. If you just rub it in your palms, just take 2 crystals in the center of your palms and rub it. This will help you ground to Mother Earth, and then you are supported by Mother Earth, you are supported by Gaia, the 5D Mother Earth. Also, one last crystal that works the best for me is black tourmaline. This is basically the black tourmaline ball, and it removes all the toxicity, all the negativity. It basically absorbs all the toxicity and negativity, whichever you're dealing with. Could be in your relationship, could be in your job, or could be, sometimes there are things that our own mind keeps on creating. So this black tourmaline crystal, it will help you get rid of all your anxiety, all your stress, all the negativity, all the toxicity you are holding, and you will easily be able to ground yourself to Mother Earth, and you'll be able to just ground your negativity and just throw out all the negativity from your aura and body. Okay. Also, if some people, because most of the time during Mercury retrograde people are dealing with mental clarity issues. So if you are dealing with any kind of mental clarity, if you are in a deep thinking process as to what is going on around, because this is the time of new beginnings, but this is also the time when people are thinking too much. They go into a lot of thinking pattern, and sometimes the thinking pattern turns toxic, and toxicity can be removed with black tourmaline, with this red jasper to ground yourself. But also this crystal, it's the clear quartz crystal. This will give you mental clarity. Okay, I'm not sure if you can see it very clearly, but this is clear quartz. This is for your own mental clarity. So these are basically the healing crystals that I use all the time during Mercury retrogrades, because Mercury retrogrades, especially for the water and fire signs, it brings a lot of anxiety, stress, emotional turmoils. And if you have the emotional turmoils, it eventually affects your physical body, right? So then you have to deal with other things related to, could be related to your anything like any pain in the body or anything else. Also, if you're looking for something, if you don't have red jasper with you, you can also use hematite for grounding. Hematite is also a very good stone for grounding. I don't have it here at the moment. Yeah, I don't see that I have it here at the moment, but hematite is a very good stone for grounding too. Also, this was for basically everybody, These are the basic stones that everyone should have for Mercury retrograde. Now we will talk especially just about the twin flames, because this is a very very powerful Mercury retrograde for all of our twin flames. I'm repeating it again and again. Communication is gonna come your way for sure. If you have been struggling with communication, this is the time. Keep this with you. This will help you a lot. This will help you open up your throat chakra. Even though you have some kind of pain in the throat chakra, just because you are not able to communicate with the specific person, this is gonna help you out. Okay, and just some of the basic stones that work for everyone else. I have tried using those stones, but you know, in place of black tourmaline, you can try using the smoky quartz. That also works, because smoky quartz basically increase your own internal vibrations, and once that gets improved, once your aura cleanses itself, you are in your full potential and you can give your 100% even during the tough times, as like tough times as in like the emotional turmoil times. Okay, so these were the basic crystals that, at least these were actually the 5 crystals that everyone should have with them during the Mercury retrograde time. That's gonna help you a lot. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, because I'll be discussing more about the crystals and also about the full moon that is coming on October the 1st. I will be giving some of the remedies for this full moon, and also I'll be explaining the crystals that are required for this full moon. Wreaths will be out for sure for full moon also, and for the Mercury retrograde too. Okay, till then, take care and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.